And it's 2-0. Taylor actually got that fast. 2 points. Good basket. He's on fire. Snatched it away. Then hit on the nose. That's 7 points.
5-0.
Kasta skott. Don't do it. Who do you think he is? Biggie Mama? With the right and the right. It's a... I must say, Taylor is catching a knife. Hits him with a toe. Didn't hurt him. What is this? Oh no! Oh no! No! Easy win. So, what do you want to say to all your fans that still support you throughout the years?
Move to America, play some basketball in the streets, would be very good.
What do you have to say about this Bradford?
Yeah, he got some talent, but he has to get new shoes. Those shoes don't give him shit.
Oh, that's a good. Thank you for the interview. It's an honor.